Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm your host Rupen from Jam, back again with a new video helping you become a better designer. Today I'll be sharing 5 typography tips that can help boost your design game. Make sure to stick around till the end of the video, and if you found something helpful, consider subscribing to my channel for more content. And without further ado, let's dive right in. Avoid using multiple fonts. Multiple fonts cause a huge distraction and make the reading process much harder for people. As you always hear, less is more. As cliché as it may sound, it is true. Sticking to 2 or 3 fonts for the project makes it much easier for people to follow, making your design look much neater and professional. Beauty lies in simplicity, so hold in the urge to use all these tools in your shed, and only use those necessary to get the job done. Hierarchy is important. Hierarchy can make it or break it when it comes to great typography. You need to know how you want to direct the viewer's eyes and accordingly set a visual hierarchy for the eyes to follow. Better than just having a river of information. Make what you want the viewers to read first pop on the page. Make it bigger in size, maybe different in weight, maybe even a different font. Don't aim for perfect, rather aim for good enough in typography. Because you can get stuck for hours exploring options and different type sizes, which will get you stuck for a long time exploring. Don't be scared to ask for others' opinions. The choice of font should convey the feeling. You should take into consideration what are you designing for. Is it something feminine, elegant, casual, bold, youthful? Knowing the medium you're designing for and knowing what font you should use to convey the feeling of the medium puts you a giant step ahead in typography and as a designer in general. Set up sample settings for your project. Very big time saver. Before starting a project, set up a sample text hierarchy system to use across the entire project. Set up header size, subheader size, caption size, body size, etc. early on in the project, and that will help you stay consistent and help you avoid many problems later on in the design process. It is much better to deal with the typography issues early on figuring out the sample settings, rather than having to fix them later after they're finalized. Revise your body text legibility. Make sure your body text isn't too long and isn't too short either. The optimal line character length is between 40 to 60 characters. You can check that in InDesign by highlighting your line and opening the info window. Also make sure your leading isn't too tight and it isn't too far to tire the eyes. Great typography is unnoticeable, which is why it's very easy to distinguish bad typography from good typography. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please share it with your designer friends. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Jam design content. Also let me know, did you know any of this stuff as a designer before? Did you learn anything new? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I appreciate every single comment and I always listen to you. Thanks for making it till the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.